Hey, what's up, scientists? It's Mr. Morrow here. Today I'm going to be explaining to you what I'd like for you to complete in the time we have. I hope everyone had a fantastic Thanksgiving, and Mrs. Byrne and I have created what we call a soft landing back into the world of learning. So, what that's going to look like for you today is going to be found in your Tuesday folder, because it is Tuesday, even though it feels a little bit like a Monday. We're going to click on that, and what I'd like you to do is click on this Science News here. Perfect. And on this website here, we're going to click on that. Zoink. There we go. Oop. There we go. There's the website. And this is called Science News for Students, a fairly uninteresting title for a website, but nonetheless, I think will do the job for us here. And what we'd like you to do is find an article. Today's theme of the day is going to be find something new about the world of science that you didn't know when you walked into our classroom today. So in the 45 minutes we have, what we'd like you to do is explore this website and find an article, essentially, and read it. And after you're done, answer a few questions. So, for example, here is, let's see here. Here is an article about calculating a star's age. Actually, let's see, let's click more. There we go. Let's learn about meat-eating plants. Interestingly enough, right there they are. Some predatory plants devour insects while others dine on reptiles and mammals. All right. Sounds extremely scary. I want to learn more about it. So, I'd like you to read this article here, and not this article, but an article of your choosing. And perhaps there's a video attached to it, a short video. You're welcome to read that. And then when you're done with that, what I'd like you to do is go back to your Tuesday file, and I'd like you to answer the question in the discussion. Right now that you've chosen an article, read it, and hopefully found it interesting, we'd like you to share the main idea of the article and 2 additional interesting facts that you learned that you didn't know when you walked through science today. Right, I'll fix that little typo there. And so you're going to plug that in there. Today I learned about the carnivorous, and then you go on from there. So that's your assignment for today. A pretty easy assignment. One that hopefully you'll find interesting. One that hopefully you'll learn something in. Any questions? Mrs. Byrne and I will be available, but that's what we've got for you today. Thanks, everyone.